decided to give a plate over to our neighbor. That gives me the idea. Cookies for my granddaughter. They told how she was so much. She came home from college. Johnson.